Hi guys, it's everything Elphy and welcome back to my channel. So it's a girls trip and I'm going to take you guys through the preparations and the trip in general. So stick with me, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for, guys? Please subscribe to my channel because we have a lot of good things we're gonna show you guys. Just subscribe, you're gonna see. So yeah, let's get started, guys. Today we are doing home service braiding. She say if you want someone to braid your hair, I'm gonna leave her contacts down below. You can call her because she needs plenty money, right? And she's really good at hair job, so maybe yeah, I'm the better my wife.
Okay, her work is very pretty. So come and print your nice hair. You can go to her shop or call her for home service. She will come. I'll put her number down as I promised. Like, yeah. I was not in a good mood until I got my hair done. But right now, I feel like my mood is coming back. Because I need extra money, so you should send me more. We're going to Comfort Studio. That's where we're going today. Yogurt.
Yeah,
Yogurt.
Yeah.
We are three, so three.
You don't want?
You don't want? Oh.
I just want water. Yeah,
We'll get. Where's my yogurt? Sorry. Thank you. Oh wait, I. Relax.
But you couldn't love me the way I needed to be loved. No, no. Yeah. And oh, we had some beautiful experiences. And I wish you.
We are here to review their,
Yeah, the camera is very nice.
Oh, their fried rice looks so yummy, but we're yet to taste it to know if it tastes actually yummy as it looks. Great, thanks. Brown eyes. Okay, so we finally got here. We are Kaylee, and guys, the place is actually very cool, very chill, very close to the beach. I'm actually gonna show you guys around, but I'm very tired and exhausted because the road coming here was really stressful, very stressful. It actually felt like we could have just lived in our houses, but anyways, we're here, so we're gonna have the best time as much as we're here. So I'm gonna check up on my friend to also know what she's up to. You know, we are getting ready for dinner. I'm supposed to be getting showered and freshen up, but I'm here because I love you guys. So let's just go and see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's happening, okay?
No, no. Yeah. And oh, we had some beautiful experiences. And I will love you, love you, love you, love you, baby.
Well, yes, our makeup
sister is also ready for the day. Let me show you guys what she's gonna wear. Hold on just a second. It's so nice. So we're gonna have dinner, and yeah, basically we're gonna get ready for the day, and then we catch up with you guys soon. These are the things I'm gonna be wearing for my dinner. Look at this beauty. I'm gonna say hi to my channel. Hey, you don't look at them. Why? You hate my people? Huh? You CJM for the win all day, everywhere. My baby doesn't leave me anywhere I go. So if you need your skin to look flawless like mine, you know what to do.
My shower and then we go for dinner. So this is basically what I'm gonna be doing. It was actually like a 2-hour, 30 minutes drive. Initially, the person told us it was 1 hour, but it wasn't. So we actually got really tired. But I think it's alright since we're here. We thank God for everything. So I'm just gonna wait for like 5 minutes, then I enter shower with my CGM exfoliating soap, which keeps my skin looking flawless all the time. It was
Please, it's a lie, why?
Hey. I actually was about you, and I'm sorry about that. Like, boy.
Sometimes boys are stressed. They are like big babies.
Yeah, actually, and they don't kind of. Oh, for her now.
You know, like they are meaning say, oh,
Not being so.
yeah.
She will be.
Cut away. Where else did you know a trip? Boy. But by the time we post the video, a trip. We're gonna get some.
I'll actually. Oh, I bought it actually at a lash place. The name is Rosa Aura.
Please come and book. Why? If you are coming to book, bring Ken, because which kind of makeup artist will just be telling you that, shut up. Why are you telling her something?
Because you'll be just trying the makeup look. Bye.
I will love you, love you, love you.
Thank you for watching. The trip is not yet over, but it's like we're gonna post the next section in the next video, because like we've already had like a long video already. So see you guys in my next video. Love you, and if you really like what you watch in this video, comment for part 2 so we can post more. But if you guys don't comment part 2, I'm gonna post the rest. Bye.